Well, this is a freshly sharpened saw, and this is how we heat our house out here in the Ozarks. You can see all the wood here that's left over from the loggers. We're cutting all this up and we're burning it to heat our house. We're going to save about probably $300 or $400 a month by burning our own natural resources. And we'll show you the stove a bit later. I haven't had this started in a week or so, so it may take a few strokes to get it going. But you put it right down here and crank on it a few times. Push it in when it does that.